Best extensions or add-ons for Canva. If you are looking for some of the best extensions or add-ons that you can use for Canva, editing, design, or any type of thing that you are making, first of all of the extensions are available right within Canva. If you go to canva.com and then you log into your account, on the left hand side you can see various options. Go to the one that says apps, and Canva will show you all type of categories with different type of apps that you can use to have a better flow for your design. For example, if I go to AI generation from the top, I can choose whether I want AI audio tools or AI documents tools, AI images tools, or other type of tools. You can see so many different tools. Some of them could be free, some of them could be paid, so you could simply check them out based on your own. If you go to audio and voiceover, you'll be able to see AI music and all the voiceovers or sound effects that you could be able to add within your Canva design. Same goes for the communications tab, where you go to cards and invitations, content schedulers, email, or file and data management right here. Graphic design, marketing, photo editing, followed by project management, text styling, and video and animation. You'll be able to see different type of apps and extensions. So hopefully this video made it clear as to what are the different types of extensions that you can add on to your Canva design. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.